Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Here we are going to start making a quilt lettering artwork which will end up looking like this. In this video we are going to do only the outline of the letters. Here are the things you'll need. Let's get started. Start by taking a card paper traced with the letter you want. There are plenty of templates of the letters available online. You can find them and get those printed and trace them on the card paper. Let's start with curving the quilling strip in the shape of the letter with the help of a quilling tool. You can use anything for that matter, like you can use even your fingers for that. Always measure the size of the strip after giving it the required shape, like I have curved the strip here. Also, when you are ending a strip midway means before there is a curve to end a strip, make a mark with the pencils so you exactly know where to measure the next strip from. Here is the piece which has a very sharp curve, means it is not ending with an edge, and so I am using the front of the needle to get the curve shape. If you don't have a needle, you can also use a toothpick. Cut the shapes according to the sizes. Make sure the size you cut is a bit longer than a required size, just because being safe, as if you cut only the required size and it turns out to be short, there is no going back. Also, the strips I have used here are the normal ones you get at the craft shops. You can even cut the strips in any size you want and use them. After cutting all the strips, we are going to erase the outline of the letters here. After erasing the outline, make some marks as a guideline to stick the quilling strips. Take some glue on the piece of cardboard or an old plastic card. Dab the strip in it like this. And dab on the clear surface in order to remove the extra glue, if any, and then you can just start sticking it on the paper. Also, this base paper is the normal card paper. You can use any thick papers, and slowly stick the strip on the paper and apply some pressure on it for around like 5 to 10 minutes so that strip is properly glued to the base paper. Also, use your tweezers to make sure that the strip is placed at the right place and the desired shape is achieved. Like you may find that the strip is a little away from where you wanted it to be. Use your tweezers to get the perfect shape. Also, the glue you take on the cardboard, it should be very less amount of the glue, and you have to add the glue time and again because it is going to dry up very quickly, as you have to take a very less amount of glue and thin layer of glue on the cardboard. so you don't use your hands to remove the excess glue from the steps. I have done it, but I'm very sorry. Never get glue on your hands, as it is going to make your work shabby. If you're used to use your fingers like this, just make sure to get a wet towel around you so that you can wipe your fingers if you accidentally get glue on your finger. So you need to clean your tweezers in case you have any glue on them. Small tip: in case you have some glue on the paper somewhere it should not be, you should immediately start rubbing any of your tools to get rid of that. Anything like tweezers, a toothpick, anything like that. So here is how the final outline looks like. In this video we have only done the outline, and in the next video I will show you how to fill these letters with different shapes. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, which is completely free. See you in the next video. Till then, keep smiling and stay blessed.